Hello YouTube, Kumar 10 here. I got my box of Bowman football in from the hobby box. About to break into it right now. Try to get this done in like 10 minutes. Hopefully I get something good. Pack number 1. Okay, let's put these out here. All these base. Get to the rookies. Escobar, Moore, Barkley, Ansah, Kasim Green, Nico Johnson. We got a gold chrome or orange, $3.99, Alec Ogletree. Aaron Rodgers, Jarvis Jones mini. Andre Johnson die cut out of 99. Second pack. Gotta hurry up and do these. Look at these. Got our first auto coming up. Ta-da. Eric Fisher. Markevius Lattimore. We got a Nickel Roby, red chrome to 199. Torrey Smith, Nile Davis, and Dennis Johnson, chrome auto. Don't know where he went to school. Third pack. Come on, let's get something better here. Ooh, I see green. I see green. Okay. Aaron Dobson, Jones, Reed, Tavares. Okay. Got a red Ezekiel. Ansah, 199. Des Bryant. Got a green. McGlennon mini. And I guess these are called green ice parallel. That's the 42 of 50 of Arian Foster, green ice. Fourth pack. Fourth pack. Let's move. Oops. Kind of saw the card already. Got a blue EJ Manuel, $4.99. Rex Burkhead mini and Jonathan Hankins mini auto for the Ohio State Buckeyes, which is my team. So happy with that. Pack number 5. Got auto in this pack. Bell, Dobson, Jones, Reed, Sure, Hakeem Nicks orange, 45 of 50. orange border. Jordan Poyer, Dayton Jones mini, and Alex Okafor auto from Texas. I guess I'm supposed to get one more autograph. Pack number 6. There's an autograph in here. Hopefully it's not my last one. We got a blue Joe Hayden chrome. That's numbered 33/99 chrome. Joseph Fourier auto. Mini. And that Zach Dysert autograph quarterback. Okay. That kind of sucks. Pack number 7. Okay. Geno Smith. Got a orange chrome of Zach Dysert, numbered to 299. Mini Corey Fuller. Jason Witten, die cut. And red ink Jeff Toole, quarterback. I don't know who he is. I'll take an extra auto. Pack number 8. The relic card. Okay. Got Ezekiel Answer, orange or gold, number to 399. Mini Keenan Allen, and Kendall Wright jersey card. Pack number 9. Come on, hopefully I get something good still. Okay. Keenan Allen blue, $4.99. Larry Fitzgerald silver ice. Last pack. Last pack, guys. Got a blue Connor Vernon chrome, $4.99. Luke Jokel mini, and a Brandon Marshall die cut. So, okay, box, I guess. Here are the hits. Jonathan Hankins mini auto, Jeff Toole red ink collegiate auto, Zach Dysert, Alex Okafor, Dennis Johnson, and Kendall Wright jersey. Everything's available except for the Jonathan Hankins mini. So I gotta get an offer. So that's it. Stay tuned for my box break of Leaf Trinity.